Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how you can create pattern animations like these, and after in our second video we are going to learn how you can create means implement the rive animations in Flutter and create animations like this. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so you can see this pattern animation. Okay, here now let's create a new artboard. Okay, let's go to design and create a new artboard. Okay, and I am going to give it a dimension of 1000 by 1000. Okay, and now we need to create a shape. Okay, so let's create a shape something like this. Okay, now we are going to click done editing, remove the fill. Okay, and now we need to make some changes like this. Okay, okay, and I think everything is okay now. Okay, okay, so like I can okay, now to make the dotted patterns. Okay, what we will do is we will create strokes. Okay, like I am going to give a size of 6. Okay, and to make it rounded we will give it sequential, and the start at 0 point. Okay, and we are going to keep and make it rounded. Okay, so now if we check now if we check, okay, let's delete this. Okay, so now if you check, you can see a dot and dot here, circular dot here. Okay, and we need to make the dots from here to here. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to make about 26 dots here. Okay, and the only thing that will differ here will be their offset. Okay, so let's duplicate these. Okay, so we are going to go up to 26. So duplicate these up to 24, up to 26. Okay, so we have given the first one offset 0. In the second one we will give it 2. Now increase it to 4. So we are going to give it a difference of 2. Okay, 8 and 10. Okay, 12, 14, and at last 16. Okay, so these, now if I deselect it, and now you can see these 8 dots are created right now. Okay, so here up to 16%. Okay, now we are going to give it a gap of 8%. Okay, so now next we'll start with 24, 20, 26. We are continue with 28, 30, 34, 32, 34. Okay, and 36. Means there can I think okay, 36, 38, and now at last 40. Okay. Okay, so now if I deselect it, and I can see there is a gap between, and six dots, eight dots are here, and eight dot are here. Now we are going to make up to 100. Okay, we are reach up to 40. Okay, so we have reached up to 40 here. Okay, now we need to cover the distance from 40 to 100 in 10 points. So let's increase each point by 6. Okay, so 52, 58. With simple calculations you can easily make these patterns. Okay, and 70. So we will continue up to 76, 84, 'Okay, so let's check if we have make any mistakes. Okay, so we started with 46, 52, 58, 64, 70, 76, 84, and now this will be 76, 84, 88. Okay, so we need two more of these. Okay, so let's 94, and this will be 100. Okay, so I think we are all set here. Okay, so if we go back and check these, okay, so you can see. Okay, so now if we deselect it, and you can see this pattern here. Okay, and to animate this, let's go to animate, and we are first going to increase our duration to up to 6 seconds. Okay, so now make it bigger, and okay, so let's animate this. So first of all we will go to path, edit vertices, and we are going to select this. Okay, so we have selected this. Now we are going to go to up to 1, and we are going to make something like this. Okay, up to 2 seconds in the frames, and at 3 seconds we are okay, let's do that again. Edit vertices, and at 3 seconds we are going to make something like this. At 4 seconds, and at 5, something like this. And to loop all of this we need to make the first and the last point same. So let's check out the animation. Okay, and looks good. okay. But one thing that we can improve, uh, but let's keep it right now like this, okay. So you can see the animation here, okay. So let's do done editing, and but now let's move it to up to center, okay, in the middle, okay. So now this shape, this point is in the middle of our artboard, and to make multiple paths, what we will do is we will copy this, okay, and we will copy, okay, and we will just okay, we will just rotate it from here, okay, a little bit, okay, and means you can increase it by 15 15 and 15 30, okay. I'm okay, and copy again, make it up to 30, okay, then 45, okay, 60, 75. Means in patterns, you just need to make sure that the things that you are taking, okay, means increasing, decreasing, means you just need to make the calculation right. Like if something like up to 100, means the points that I have gone from 0 to 100, okay. So you can like this, like we are making from we are means increasing from 105 to now 120, 135, 150, okay, and 165, okay, and 180, 180, okay. So let's select all of these. We are going to means copy all of these shapes, and just and like I am copying these here, okay. So the frame should be here, okay. If you make a mistake in this, or means you copy it, means if the frame is somewhere here or somewhere else, okay, then it will not work, okay. Means you will get means the animation will not loop properly, okay. So now what we are going to do is I'm just going to make it -100, okay. uh, okay, not -100, just like this, -100, x scale to -100, okay. So now I'm just going to rotate it something like this, okay. So okay, and something like this, and now we have, now let's check the animation, okay, that we have made, okay. And so let's complete this, okay. So we need to increase the animation, okay. means just a second. So we need to increase the animation from 180 to 195. Okay, so up to I think up to 345, I guess. We need to go like 195, so this will be 210. Means if we don't means follow these things, then the means if we don't increase it in a sequence, then I don't think the animation will be perfect. Means it will still look good, but it will not be perfect. Okay, so 225, 240. Okay, and so let's check out our pre. Okay, so this was 240 and now 254, 255, 270, 285, and means 300. Okay, now I have said that we will go up to 345. Okay, so 350, 330, and 345. Okay, because here means at 0 means this loops again. So now we just need to copy all those shapes again up to here. Okay, so let's copy these and paste. Okay, and now we are just going to scale it minus 100%. Okay, and we will rotate. Okay, so something so let's reload it again, and I think much of the work we have done will still be there. uh, so we need to wait for some time until it's reloads again the content. Okay, so now if we go to animate. Okay, so if we go to animate and okay, so up to here. Okay, so we need to rotate these. Rotate these. And match it. Okay, there is one thing that I might have done wrongly, and that was that in here instead of uh, instead of making this 100, we need to make it 90. Let's check out our animation. Okay, I think that still looks good, and means okay. So now just loop it, and let's check out our animation, how it looks and how it loops. Okay, so okay, so it's look good, and I think now what we will do is just one thing that we have done, I think I have done uh, not correctly, was now go to design, and we will select all of these. Okay, and come here, and instead of making it 100%, we will make it 99.9%. Okay, now you can see this dot, because at 100 it's goes back to here. Okay, at 0. Okay, so now we can see our 100 point. Okay, and now the shapes are connecting at the end. Okay, and now if we animate these, okay, and you can see the animations is looping perfectly. So uh, uh, means hopefully you have learned a lot. In our next video we will learn how you can means add some gradients on top of this in Flutter, uh, uh, and this will animate perfectly in Flutter. Okay, okay, okay. So let's meet in our next video. Bye.